Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Weber Consult. So, how was your September 25 exam results? Some would have cleared, and some unfortunate students wouldn't have been cleared. Okay, so there is no issues. There is no issues. We all know this is a C exams. 80% of the students will not clear. Okay, so don't be disheartened. This is a hard time, I know, but we have to plan for further things. Okay, see, in the group 2 there is a subject called direct text that you all know, and everyone is fear of the direct text, that how to complete the whole syllabus, the vast syllabus in such a short span of time, and how to consolidate everything and just to score exemption at least in the direct text. So for that we are here to solve this problem. See, in the direct text we all know there is a syllabus that is very vast, so we have to do something which is reasonable, which is a smart study with a proper planning to score exemption at least. Okay, there is no I'm not telling you something which is in the clouds or which are just spoken, but it is a trend of the ICA which is followed by every year in every attempt. So on that basis, on that analysis, I am giving you the 6-day CA final study sessions. Okay, now what we are doing in this particular session for the January 2026, we are going to complete your 70 to 80 marks of the paper in only 6 days. In only 6 days, sir. If you are completing 70 to 80 marks of the paper in only 6 days, then you have to complete, then you will teach for 8 8 9 9 hours. No, I am only going to teach to 3 to 4 hours daily. Can you devote this time? On an average, if I say 4 hours a day, 6 days, then 24 hours is the time that I am asking from you. Okay, if you are giving that time to me, then there will be a coverage of 100% concept of the selective chapters that I am telling you for the 70 to 80 marks. 100% concept clarity that you will get. Okay, 100% concepts that will be given to you. Okay, and the selective important and the tricky questions will be solved in that particular batch. Selective important, not every important and the tricky questions, but the selective questions that will be solved in the batch, so that you will be able to grasp the concept what it is teaching and how to solve those questions of that particular concept. Okay, that is the motive of this particular batch, that we need to complete the 70 to 80 marks of the paper in just 6 days, because we need to do the smart study for the January 2026 attempt. I am assuming as of now it is November, so everyone who is attempting for the January 26 attempt have already taken the regular batch or the fast live batch, or if he is my student, he has already taken the exemption batch or the month end batch. Already the one time classes is over. Everything one time classes is over. Okay, so this is what we are giving you in a brief. We are going to just revise and recall everything, every concept, and where it is a tricky concept, I will even explain it in more details. Okay, so 100% concept will be clear to you. Okay, and the selective important is the tricky questions will be solved in that particular class. So, sir, what is going to be the schedule of this 6 days? See, the day one is starting from the 15th of November. 15th of November 2025, the schedule is going to be started, and the lectures will be only recorded. Lectures will be available to you. The lectures will be only recorded to you. Okay, a first day will start with the PGP. Day two, capital gain plus income from other sources. Day three, assessment procedure, search and seizure. Day four, non-resident. Day five, transfer pricing and double taxation relief. Day six, advanced ruling and the assessment of trust. If you see these chapters and if you open any of the paper of ICI, you will find that out of the descriptive paper of 70 marks that you have to attempt, but it came for 84 marks. Okay, one question is optional. So out of 84 that you have to attempt what? 70 marks. 60 marks of the paper of the descriptive come from these chapters only. These chapter comprises at least 60 marks out of 70 marks that you have to attempt of the descriptive portion, and out of this chapter if the 10 to 20 marks of the MCQs also come, so it will be a coverage of 70 to 80 marks easily in 6 days. You can even score exemption if you follow this religiously. I am guaranteeing you, you can even get exemption in these 6 days if you follow it religiously. We are going to complete each and everything in these chapter. 100% concept will be clear to you, and the selective important and the tricky questions will be given to you. Now, sir, what will be the validity of this batch? Validity will be till your January 2026 exam, and there will be a two views. You can view any lecture two times, the full lecture two times. Okay, if there is a lecture, the meaning of two view usually students ask is, if a lecture is of 100 minutes. Suppose if a lecture is of 100 minutes, you can watch it for 200 minutes. That's two it's views. Okay, you can watch it for 200 minutes. Either you can watch by skipping it or anything, but there will be a total watch time of 200 minutes that you can watch. So you can watch a particular lecture two times. Okay, now we shall be using our 316 important question list, from where we will be selecting the important questions and tricky questions, and the PDF of these particular chapters plus our 316 important questions will be available in your drive. You can download it, you can print it. Okay, the PDF is available. And for the 316 important question list, if you want, you can even buy from our website. It is available to buy, but we will be giving you the PDF as well. If you want to take the printout of it, you can take the printout and solve the questions in the classes. Okay, and for these particular chapter, the concept note will also be available in the drive. I will be teaching from my concept note, but if you have taken the classes of any other teacher, please, if you have already studied from it, please do not change the notes. Do not change the note. Just listen to me. Every concept will be available in your teacher's notes as well. But you are comfortable in that notes, so please do not change those notes as well in these times. Okay. If you have not studied or not comfortable with the teacher's note, then definitely you can download it and take the printout and study from these particular notes. Understood or not? So this is the whole process that we are going to study. So okay, in this 6 days itself, you are going to complete your direct text. The major burden of the direct text are in these particular chapter itself. You all will admit that the major burden, the major pressure is in these chapter itself. If it is covered in 6 days, then you will be more than happy and you will be more than relaxed in the direct taxation subject and score exemption very easily, because the batch is going to be ended by the 21st of November 2025. Then you will be having a 9 to 10 days approximately for the November, then December the whole. And if you are only the group 2 student, so there is a good chunk of number of days for the January as well. Okay, so you will have a good amount of time to revise it and to recall every concept and to practice everything. Okay, and to do more chapters. Okay, because there is no alternative to the full study, but we need to do some smart study at this point of time. That is why I'm coming up with a 6 days plan, starting with the 15th November. Starting with the 15th November, sir. How to enroll it? How to enroll it? What is the fees? Fees is a very nominal fees, is an admin cost fees that we are charging. You can directly go to our website www.weberbansalclasses.com. The link is even given in the description box and the comment section. You can go there. Okay, directly you will find this particular page. The fees that we have kept is just 99, and we will be completing each and everything, just this fees. And that's it. We will also be completing a full mock test. A full syllabus mock test will also be given to you. 100% concepts will be there, and the code and tricky questions will be there. Everything the same that I have explained is already written in this description box. You can directly enroll this batch. It is going to be started from 15th of November 2025. So you can enroll early, and if you want to order the book, you can even order the book, so that beforehand, before starting of the batch, you can get the notes as well. Okay, so this is all for the day. If you need anything, any help from us, you can definitely tell us in the Telegram section or in the comment section. We shall be very happy to help you. Okay, so this is all. Take care and keep studying. This time, January 2026, you need to get the exemption in the direct text. So all the best.